cooking episode 2, and I don't know what this thing just keep. I'm trying to get this to work, but it just keep. Now I think I had to do this. This should do it. Okay, cookies and meat. I think let's add some pig meat to it. Now I think it's time for raw chicken meat. Cooking so fast right now. The water's too boiled. I think they're frying it. I think they're frying it fast. I think I'm gonna put more pig meat. Wait, I also going to grab some horse meat. Now I think too much meat. I think let's get the meats out of the bowl. I think it's time to get the meats out of the bowl. It's time to get the meat inside of the flavor bowl. I think I need to close it. I think the meat. I think that not the meat is enough. I think it's trying to put the meat. I think I'll do this. I'll do that, and I'll get the table off, delete that table, and I do that. Okay, make it nice sorted out, and I'll make sure my meat's on the fry. Okay. And then now now what you're gonna do is you just add some apples, add some flavor. You need to add some water to add some flavor. Mix them up. Okay, I think now what? And I just fry everything like you fry your chicken. Now you fry everything up. Once you fry them up, everything. 1 minute for the apples. Fry everything. Okay, fry everything. fry them up. Just keep frying them. Frying them without water. The chicken meat is ready to cook. Okay, what's more wait? We'll play this. And I'll call my friend Master Chef to do it with me. Guys, I got my friend Master Chef. Oh, your fry looks so good. Yeah, but the problem is you forgot to add some sauce to it. Oh. Oh yeah, but I don't. Okay. Yeah, but I don't have sauce. That is fine because the chicken's fine. Yeah. Wait now. I'm kind of hold my spear to make sure that spear chop. Kind of hold my spear to chop the meat. I actually buy a new kind of spear that can also fry. I can also fry meat too. This I think I mix my fry up using this spear. Which is do that using this. Guys, the chicken is done. See, now the chicken is done. Now we need to stop frying. My chicken looks good. Let's jump in here. Smells kind of good. Smells kind of good. Yeah, so good. Let me try some. This is so good right now. No jokes. Let me try some. I'll take this piece. Let me try some. Let me try some. So good. So good right now. No jokes, so good. I think I eat this with some apples. It's so good. I cannot stop eating it. So good. I think I think it's very good. I think suggesting this is very good. Yeah, it's good to me. I eat it, and it's delicious. Now that I eat one of those. That is one of those.